Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this series, Mind is Not a Trash Can, we explore the power of the mind and how we can cultivate positivity and compassion. Today, we're diving into the topic of hatred and how it impacts our mental well-being. Hatred is a strong and intense feeling of dislike or hostility towards someone or something. It can consume our thoughts and emotions, leading to resentment, anger, and a sense of separation from others. Here are the top 5 common hatred behaviors. Hatred behavior number 1. Holding grudges and seeking revenge against those who have wronged us. Hatred behavior number 2. Engaging in gossip or spreading rumors to harm someone's reputation. Hatred behavior number 3. Discriminating against others based on race, religion, gender, or other characteristics. Hatred behavior number 4. Bullying or harassing others out of a sense of superiority or power. Hatred behavior number 5. Suppressing empathy and compassion towards others, seeing them as enemies rather than fellow human beings. But there's hope. We can overcome hatred and cultivate a mindset of love and acceptance. Here are a few things we can do to tackle hatred. Practice self-awareness by recognizing and acknowledging our own feelings of hatred. Cultivate empathy by putting ourselves in the shoes of others and understanding their perspective. Challenge negative thoughts and beliefs that fuel hatred, replacing them with compassion and understanding. Foster forgiveness towards those who have wronged us, releasing the burden of resentment and anger. Engage in acts of kindness and compassion towards others, even those we may dislike or disagree with. Surround ourselves with positive influences and supportive communities that promote love and acceptance. Educate ourselves about the experiences and perspectives of others, fostering empathy and connection. Practice mindfulness to become more aware of our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to respond to hatred with wisdom and compassion. Speak out against injustice and discrimination, using our voices to advocate for equality and understanding. Cultivate gratitude for the diversity and beauty of the world, celebrating the unique contributions of each individual. Now, let's fill our minds with affirmations to overcome hatred. I choose love and compassion over hatred and resentment. I forgive myself and others for past hurts, releasing the burden of anger and resentment. I see the humanity in others, recognizing that we are all connected by our shared experiences. I let go of judgments and prejudices, embracing acceptance and understanding instead. I am deserving of love and respect, and so are others, regardless of our differences. I am capable of letting go of hatred and embracing a mindset of peace and harmony. I am a force for positive change in the world, spreading love and understanding wherever I go. I treat others with kindness and compassion, even those who may have wronged me. I choose to see the good in others, focusing on our shared humanity rather than our differences. I release all feelings of hatred and embrace the healing power of forgiveness. I am worthy of love and acceptance, and so are all beings. I let go of all thoughts of revenge and choose to move forward with grace and compassion. I am open to understanding and learning from those who are different from me. I see the beauty in diversity and celebrate the richness it brings to our world. I release all feelings of anger and resentment, allowing love and compassion to flow freely. I choose to respond to hatred with love and understanding, knowing that it is the most powerful force in the universe. I am a beacon of light and love, shining brightly in a world that sometimes feels dark. I let go of all thoughts of superiority or inferiority, embracing the equality of all beings. I am at peace with myself and the world around me, free from the grip of hatred. I choose to see the humanity in all beings, treating them with kindness and compassion. Thanks for watching, and remember, our minds are not dustbins for hatred. By cultivating love, empathy, and understanding, we can overcome hatred and create a world filled with peace and harmony. Let's choose love over hate and spread kindness wherever we go.